dito at meron tayong corn kernel ang gagamitin natin. Ang siste dito, maglagay ka ng dalawang linya bawat pag tatlo pass yan, dapat dalawa lang, right? Okay, kung mananalo ka, meron kang 500 bucks. Okay, start. Okay, alright, dalawa. Oops, tatlo, mali yan, dapat dalawa lang. Okay, alright. Napakadali lang, dalawa. Okay, alright. Okay, again, lost again.